What's up, YouTube? Slow-mo 8 coming at you with a new video. I just completed a setup for a Monte Carlo SS. Got the back deck. Got the front pods with some tweeters in them. That's going on the dash. And we got the console. The console has a set of super tweeters and a 4-inch Pioneer coaxial. We got the charging port, and we got the lights also with the mirror acrylic on the front. Got the mesh on the sides. The back deck is going to light up also. It has LEDs in it also. That's what it's looking like. About to get ready to put everything in. Trying to get this car completed. Also, putting a system in. I got the amps in and wired up and everything. I'll give you guys a video of that once I get everything back together. Sub box. Got all the wires ran. Only thing I gotta do this install. Then I gotta put the radio in. So I will be getting back with you guys when I get done. Check back with me. What's up, YouTube? Slow-mo 8 coming at you with a new video. Give you guys a view of my project, another project I just completed. It's Monte Carlo SS. Super clean, original car. Show you what I done to it. We did a full system. He's running 2 Hifonics amps, one on the mids and highs, and one on the sub. Got the energy battery in the back. That's what the install looks like. Running SCAR audio. I think it's EVL 12s in a prefab SCAR box. Did a rear deck. Full install. Pioneer 4x10s in the back. That's what the rear decks look like. We got the clear LEDs. We did the dash pods. We got tweeters under the dash pods. Under the hood, we did a yellow top battery. Big 3. Frame in, chassis ground. We used the L Customs battery terminals. All original car. And we did a custom center console. In the center console, we have a set of Pioneer coaxials and a super tweeter, all Pioneer. We got the SS Monte Carlo acrylic. And we got an Android tablet head unit. Got the charging ports. Got the light switch here. That's what the center console is looking like. Got this one ready for pickup. Put the rest of the boxes in the trunk and it's ready to go. Super nice console. Android head unit. I think it's a 10.1 inch. He wanted to go with 2 smaller cup holders instead of 1 big one. So that's what we did. Turned out pretty nice. So you guys will rip the rear deck again. Got the pressed mesh, white LEDs. So this one is ready for pickup. Monte Carlo SS. Oh, I almost forgot. We also did the headlights. Show you guys the full function of the headlights. So that's what they look like. Low beams. Turn on the high beams. High beams. How all 4 of them come on. Then just show you just the LEDs. And then that's just the LEDs. I also wired up the switchbacks for the turn signals. All functions operate as they should. Still looks factory. And that's it for this one. Slow Mo 8 signing out.